That's a nice bass. That's a nice fish. Not bad. Oh, what the freak? Yo, that's a rainbow trout.
What's up YouTube? Eastern PA Fishing here. The date is August 5th. Went out yesterday and did a little kayaking, caught myself some bass. It's just a short and sweet little episode, not trying to burn you guys for content. So yesterday the mission was to go out and catch myself a carp. That actually didn't end up happening. I just ended up doing a whole bunch of bass fishing, you know me. That's what I like to do. Anyway, I hope everybody likes the content. If at any point you do, scroll down below, hit the thumbs up button. Helps me out and the fish like it as well. Eastern PA Fishing here, you know what it is by now. Let's get right to the fishing.
You guys wanted some more kayaking videos? So that's what we got here for you today. Goal of today is to hook up on a big old carp, have him take us for a little ride. Should be a good episode, so stay tuned. Gonna also be doing some other fishing activities that are unrelated to this video. Stay tuned to the Eastern PA Fishing YouTube channel for more dope fishing videos every week. Hit that thumbs up button. Well, we made it, everybody. You guys seem to really be liking all these kayaking videos, so here's another one for you today. We are once again fishing with a little crawl. This is actually a TRD crawl, a little green pumpkin and blue. Natural presentation, got a little bullet weight on there, using I think it's 10-pound fluoro. Should be pretty inconspicuous, you know, a lot of these fish are spooky back here, but it should be a good episode. Hopefully we're gonna catch some bass today. Coming up on some weed lines here, so I'm gonna try to cast right in the middle of it. Shouldn't be too hard. Nice big opening. But I'm gonna parallel this with the weed line. Hopefully something will come out and grab it. Pretty sick bend in this creek. There's usually a fish or two hanging around here. It's a good spot for a bass to hide. Oh man. I got him. There we go. First fish. Oh snap, hold on dude. First fish of the day. First little largie. Under a pound. It's all right. We're gonna get to that bridge, find that big one. There we go, first fish. Give me that back. See you, dude. Oh man. Whew. Kicked a bunch of water in my face. That's a nice bass. Oh my. That's a nice fish. Not bad. There we go. Second bass. A little largie. See you, honey. Ooh. Ooh, what do we got here? That is not a largemouth, that is a smallmouth. There we go, number 3. Not gigantic. None of these bass really were, but what more can you ask for in a small little creek like this? Hey, there's a pretty good little spot back here. Oh, I think we got another one on there. Yep, we do. Oh, come to Papa. There's number 4. Man, this spot is loaded. Dang, dude, what's up with these fish. Oh man, it's because he looked himself right in the eye. Oh, there we go. There's another little largie. See you, honey. Oh, what the freak? Yo, that's a rainbow trout. Yo, that's his trout. Yo, that is a trout, guys. On the freaking spinner. Yo, you guys, it is August 2nd. We're out here. Oh no. Yo, that was a trout. Oh my gosh.
So there you have it, everybody. Like I said, this is just a short and sweet one. I hope everybody liked the content. If at any point in time you did, scroll down below, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to the Eastern PA Fishing YouTube channel, do that too. We have bass fishing videos, carp fishing videos, trout fishing videos, pan fishing videos. Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. Till next time, guys, keep on fishing.